Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are new here, my name's Sebastian Vlogs. My name's Sebastian Fame. I changed it, but I'm usually a vlogger, but today I'm gonna try to show you how to ollie. Let's get right into the video. Hope you guys like it. Okay guys, so I would say the first absolute step is popping. Watch, I'll show you a little demo. Okay guys, so I'm sorry if the background noise is like some people are cutting the grass over there. So I'm sorry if there's a bunch of noise in the background, but hopefully you guys can hear me. Okay guys, so if you've never done an ollie before, this is how so I would say just to pop. So this is how it's gonna look like. No, yeah, like that. Just, I don't know how to pop like this, but like that. Like that. It's not. So when you learn how to do an ollie, it's gonna go like this. And right now I'm just asking you to do this. Okay, and the next step, the easiest step, is I would say do 50 of these. The basic way you want to do is this. And you have to keep on finding that motion. It took me about a month to figure this out, and I wish someone actually told me how to ollie by just doing this. Keep on repeating this multiple times until you get it right. So your foot right here, there's either two ways to do this. You could put a hole, or you could do like this. I prefer just putting it in the middle and just focusing on. And after you get used to that rhythm multiple times, keep on trying to ollie and doing that at the same time. Pop and then slide, pop, slide. And then it's gonna take you a little while until you get it. And as soon as you get it, it's just gonna look like that. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If this doesn't help, I'm gonna put a link down below to Braille Skateboarding. They are really good at showing people how to ollie. So I know this video was short, but it's just a little tutorial. And hope you guys could like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.